Once a war was wagging between the beasts and the birds, and both were building their own armies. But a bat was so scared that he did not want to join any of the army. So when the birds asked him to join them, he said that he was a beast. And when the beasts asked him, he said that he was a bird. The war began and ended soon in peace. The animals and birds started celebrations. The bat now wanted to join the celebration, so the bat first went to the birds, but they turned against him, saying that he was not a bird. He then went to the beasts, but they kicked him out, saying that he was not an animal, therefore he could not join animal. The bat went away in the sad mood. Moral of the story: one who helps no one has no friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.